Never mind, it's always major, especially when we have them talented. What about that?
Sorry, brother. Up.
Been a while since we catch up. Talk to me a
Yeah.
little bit about 2023 words to describe the year thus far for you.
3 words to describe 2020. Honestly, challenging, however, enlightening. What else? I mean, health is here, so it's a blessing.
Yeah. I can't left out that question when we had the interview. I love that question. It's always interesting to hear how people describe, their themselves and their experiences. You use the word enlightening. What's been one of the standout enlightenments for you thus far?
2020 force you to get, introspective. See, so you have time now if you probably look on other things that you probably want to do, or it forces you to take on other things. So that's been a one for me personally as well. So we kind of broaden the horizons now because we have time. We're not traveling again so much and caught up in the fast pace of the regular life. You see.
So you start to expand the talent base and the skill base.
Yeah.
And one of the things that Michael said, we did have to talk to D Major because one of the areas of expansion was where you start produce now.
Yes. Officially, yeah, man.
Talk to me about that now. You have a label?
Yes, the label is called Antilovian. First track I've produced officially, as I said, on the label is something new featuring Busy Signal. Yeah, so, we're going to take it.
Oh, it's a nice good start, that man.
It's a great start. Big up my virgin Busy Signal every time. I'm a brother.
Yeah.
You know what I say? And I think
so
it's
the first official release of the label?
Yes.
And what's the feedback been so far from it?
Great. People didn't always love the track, but we're in our age now, what people say. You see Sanjay Mutual, you see D Major, you see. Let me say if you hear it,
Yeah.
So because a visual is there now to it, you realize that I give back a whole new life.
Yeah.
So I enjoy that. I'm big up everybody with the comments and the shares, the likes, the subscribing, everything. And if you don't subscribe, go to D Major Vita, subscribe, like, share.
I know in terms of your sound, sometimes our producers tend to have a sound. Is your sound as a producer somewhat similar to your sound as an artist?
I'm not going to limit myself in a Sanjay. Just like being an artist, Usually people that, as an artist, play one drop rhythm, but you sit down with the DJ bridging them and sometimes demo songs and verses for them and them go in and then knock it out, But I'm not going to limit myself because music, I express myself, and even right now, as I tell Sanjay, I feel like I am most equipped right now. Creatively.
So, no, so a whole heap of young artists I can watch the interview and they're going to say, I wonder if we can get that link. What are some of the things that you look for in an artist when you're producing?
Just originality, you have to take your craft serious.
Are you actually looking to develop talent from now, or is it that you're just trying to put out some singles and establish the label first?
Yeah, I got create before a while, so we just have to take time with some singles first. And I'm not trying to be a producer full time.
Yeah.
Definitely not, but you don't know.
Just add to the arsenal.
Yeah, man, definitely.
That I go on. And speaking of that now, since we know say you're not a full-time producer, we get to the other part of the artistry now. What else are you working on musically?
Oh no, we have Change Gear produced by Triton. I say. We have Action produced by Suku, the next virgin Suku. I say. And something produced by yours truly. I say. And I wouldn't part of things to come. I'm excited about, but it's all about time in Sanjay. So next year, really try attack with some of these things.
Lastly, now, Major, I want you to tell me what most makes your productions intense.
The unexpected. I'll say.
Yeah,
man, I try to keep it, creative to a level where you might not expect it. Yeah.
Just like I would never expect a movie. TVJ, big producer.
Full. Respect.
Yeah, brother.
Respect intense.